Hello everyone, welcome to the English class. Today we'll start a lesson 2 of grammar, that is singular and plural nouns. Singular and plural noun. Yes children, what is singular noun and what is plural noun? Singular noun means name one person, place or thing, animal. So children, singular noun, you know that refers for the one thing, one person, one place, one animal. And the plural nouns refers to more than one person, one place, one thing or animal. Like two cats, here cats, cat is a singular noun. Butterfly, here one butterfly, it is a singular noun. Box, here is a one box, so it is singular noun. Butterflies, there are more than one butterfly, so this is plural nouns. And boxes, more than one box, so these are the plural nouns. So children, now singular noun names one person, one thing, one place, one idea. Like boy, one boy is here, one bag is here, one school is here, and one patriotism is here. And the plural noun refers to more than one, like many person are here, more than one person, boys. Bags, more than one bags. Schools, more than one school. Religions, more than one religion. And the first rule of the singular plural is we have to add s to form plural nouns like boy, boys. And second rule is this: when we make plural noun from the singular noun, if the noun ends in a s, double s, sh, ch, x, if the noun ends in these words, we have to add es to make plural noun like boss, bosses. Fox, foxes. And next rule is if a noun ends in a consonant plus y, drop y and add ies to its singular form in order to change it to its plural form. So what you have to do, if the nouns end in a consonant plus y, if the consonant comes before y, we have to remove y and add ies, like hobby, HOBBY, hobby. We will see here before y consonant is here, we have to remove y and add ies, hobbies, like hobbies, 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 like this. Okay, next rule is noun ending in a f and fe. If the noun ending in a f and fe form their plural by changing the f and fe into ves, you have to add ves, like leaf, leaf. We have to remove the f and add leaves, leaves. And knife, 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 we have to remove fe and add ves, knives, like leaves and knives. Wife, wives. And most noun ending in o form their plural by adding es. If the noun is ending in o, so we have to add es, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, like this. And some nouns ending in o form their plural in the normal way, like we have to add only s, like auto, autos, photo, photos. And if a noun consists of several words, if the noun consists of several words, it is a compound noun and the s is added to the main word, like father-in-law. And when you have to make plural, you have to write fathers-in-law. And some noun have the same form in singular and plural both, like deer, deer. We will write singular in singular and plural, deer. We have to write only deer. Okay. Sheep, sheep. Sheep come in singular and plural both. Sheep. We have to write sheep only. And seventh rule is there are some nouns that don't follow any rules while changing into plural, like child, children, ox, oxen. And some singular noun do not change in the plural form, like series, series. Series will come in the singular noun and the plural noun both. Deer, deer, sheep, sheep. And there are some nouns that are plural, like scissors. Scissors always plural in the singular and plural both form. Trousers, clothes. So children, here is a worksheet. You have to do this worksheet. And first question is, some singular noun are given in column A. Circle their correct plural forms given in column B. First, you read the column A sentence, like knife. and you have to circle the correct forms of the plural of the knife, like knifes, knives, knifs. So you know that knives is the correct form of the correct plural form of the knife, so you have to circle here. You can do this. And B exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct words. You have to read the sentence and write down the correct form of the noun. Okay. And question number C, rewrite the sentences by changing the noun to the plural form. Make other necessary changes too. What you have to do, you have to change the noun into their singular form, like the child carried a lunch box. So you can write that plural of child is children. The children carried lunch boxes. A, you have to remove A and you can change child into children like this. Okay. Next question is D, fill in the blanks with the singular form of the noun given within bracket. Now here you have to write a singular form, like shelves, shelves. Singular form of shelves is shelf, shelf. Like dresses, dress. You have to write singular form here. So children, you can do this worksheet easily. And next worksheet is write the plural form of these special nouns. You have to write plural form, like I can see 2 fish in the fish tank. You know that the plural of fish is fish. If the fish of many types, fish of many species of fish, so you can write fishes. And both the plural forms of fish and fishes, both can become. And how many child are there in the schoolyard? And you know that the plural of the child is children. So how many children are there in the schoolyard? So you have to write plural form of the singular noun. Okay children. Now next, and I hope you have understood the worksheets and the topic. So children, thank you and have a nice day.